What's going on, you guys? It's Randy with Full Throttle Obsessions coming back to you with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing my new Traxxas Rustler VXL. We went ahead and went with the rock and roll paint scheme body. Of course, it's got the Millennium 3500 brushless motor along with the VXL 3S ESC, and it's got the TQI Traxxas transmitter. We're just going to be doing a quick unboxing. I had one of these trucks back in the day, back when they came with the brush 20-turn Stinger motor. I had a lot of fun with that truck. I ended up selling it quite a few years back, and of course I wanted to get another one, and the 70 plus miles an hour was a little too intriguing for me to pass up. I know you got to replace the supplied pinion gear, well, I think it's supplied, to get that 70 miles an hour, which we are most definitely going to do. But anyways, let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Alright, let's go ahead and take off this plastic. To the side. Alright, we're going to go ahead and cut the seal. Go ahead and open it up. Well, looks like I did the back. You can see we got the, first off we got the Traxxas TQI 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. Go ahead and put that to the side. Go ahead and take the styrofoam piece out. Then we got the, oh yeah, there it is. Now we got the Rustler. Of course, some goodies that came with it. Now we're going to take a look at the truck itself. Go ahead and move these body pins here. Take out the plastic. Well, I wasn't too sure how I was going to like that body. But actually, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. In the pictures, it was a little too colorful for my preference, I guess you can say, or my liking. But in person, it's actually pretty nice. And you can see the detail they did with, they put little pin. You can see the pins holding that, or rivets holding the back wing on. Oh wow, and it actually is rivets. So older versions had adhesive. Double-sided adhesive tape, and it used to come off all the time. I gotta say, that's a nice little touch. I'm liking that body. I'm going to put that to the side. Right now to the truck itself. It looks like the chassis is pretty much the exact same. Of course, it's got their little instructions here if you want to run lipos, to put it on lipo mode. So those are good. I always want to look over those and put the ESC on lipo safe mode. The tires and rims are definitely different. They're a lot more softer compound with foam inserts, and that's different from my old version did not have foam inserts. The rubber was so hard they didn't need them. So you got the suspension's actually real nice. Then you got your Millennium 3500 brushless motor. Then you can see your VXL 3S ESC. Well, this truck's really light. I'm not used to being that light, I guess because I'm used to my x-maxx. Now, of course, Traxxas supplies a bunch of their information and, of course, a little toolkit. We'll go ahead and see exactly what they supply with this truck. You got a couple things of shock spacers. You got body protectors and extra clips. And so a little foam piece looks for like the battery hold down. And they do supply a high-speed pinion gear if you want to try to reach those 70 plus mile an hour speeds. Supply that gear, and then they got a little pretty much must-have toolkit for anyone bashing around. pretty average Traxxas toolkit, and you got some stickers. And then of course their warranty card you fill out for the warranty. I usually just do these online, it's quicker and easier. And of course it looks like their little diagram and instruction manual. You see what they got there, which definitely comes in handy if you're doing any work to the truck. And then just a bunch of their other information, colored catalogs. It's this one here. So, information on the transmitter. It's all colored, which that makes it pretty nice. So you put your batteries in and set everything up. Alright you guys, that was my quick unboxing of my new Traxxas Rustler. I can't wait to get this thing out on the track. And also I want to let you guys know I have a couple surprises coming to this channel in the coming weeks. So definitely make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And as always, if you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.